Hi, I wanted to make this little video to show you how to start in GoReact and to share with you just a little bit about this first assignment that you have. GoReact is the platform that we're going to use to evaluate your student teaching. It's also the platform you're going to use to look at video of other people teaching, to look at your classmates teaching, to house the video recordings of you yourself teaching. And then you're going to load it into the assessment platform we have called the ATCAT, and you'll probably use it for your teacher work sample. So it's a really good tool to learn your way around. And so to start out, I just wanted to make a quick little introduction to GoReact to get you started. When you log into the couple things you ought to do first, you ought to get GoReact on your phone. Okay, so it's an app, and you just look in the App Store and find GoReact, and then get that uploaded for yourself. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but so the app is that symbol that you have here. It's the G and the O with the target in it. Okay, so get it on your phone. Now you don't have to use the app on your phone, but I found that it works much easier and it's fairly seamless to upload your video then into the computer so so that you can share it with your professors. You're going to log into GoReact. Now, I've already invited you to GoReact. You should have put your email and a password in GoReact. And then when you log in, you're going to be directed to all of the teachers that you have that are using GoReact. And I'll just show you how this looks right here. Although it looks like my internet isn't working now. Okay, and so here you go. You might have more than one course, and if you do have more than one course, you can just pull down, and to get the correct course, this is the first assignment I have for you, the GoReact Classroom Tour. So it's just a 3-minute video of you showing me your classroom, maybe showing me the computer station you work at, maybe watching your host teacher do a 1 minute of teaching or something along those lines. So it's a real short, quick video. I don't want it to take a long time. Really, the purpose of the video is for you to learn how GoReact works. So you're going to be given this. You're going to start the assignment. You're going to put in your title. Your name is fine. And then you're going to, you can upload something. So if you upload something, you can use your phone app. You can also just upload it from YouTube if you want to, or if you've downloaded it on your computer, you can upload it from there. So that's the way that works, okay? Let me show you real quickly in the phone how easy this is. So once you log into GoReact, you're just going to hit record, and you're going to use your phone as a video camera, and you're going to, after you're all done, it's going to ask you which class would you like to upload, which assignment is this for. You choose the assignment, boom, and it's already uploaded. So either one of those two ways is how I want you to do this first assignment. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email and I'll try to answer you that way. Thanks and good luck.